Now let's start with getting started with Immortals 2. So just go to your Missy. You paste the, sorry, that's not the link I want to paste. You paste the link there. Okay, so you let it load. Okay, just loaded. Still loading. So click on this sign in at this top here. See this one here. Click it. So click continue with Google. So choose an account from your Google. Where is this one signed out? Shouldn't be signed out. Okay, let me sign in. Where is? Okay, I've signed in. So just click on continue. So click on go to required mission. Okay, claim this first one. Click on claim. Okay, click on confirm. You can close it. Then let's just move on to, you can claim all these ones. The one I want to show you now is the next one, which is downloading the app. Okay, let's click this enter referral code in 24 hours. Okay, let's just claim this one also. Confirm. Bring your own friend, that will be later on. Sorry, I clicked that mistakenly. Close that. Okay, so download and play Immortals 2. So click on claim, then select, maybe you're using Apple or Google Play Store. Click on it to take you to your Google Play Store. Then you install the game. So while this one is installing, let's go back to what we were doing. Okay, second one, the next one is join the official Discord. Okay, let's click on claim. Let's click on connect Discord. If you're having issues with this Discord, probably just leave it. Probably just leave it for now. I heard it's not working, so let me just try it and let's see. Okay, step 1. Okay, click on join the Discord group and just pause it. Okay, click on accept invite. Okay, accept invite. Okay, select yes, click on next, agree and finish. Just click on the screen, then click on read server, then click on this, complete this, tick this box and complete. Okay, so click on this. So that's basically how I can say GM here. Then I'm done with that. So let's go back to this place. I can close this link and go back to Immortal. Okay, and click on claim reward. So that's confirmed that I've joined and I've claimed the reward. Now the next one is follow Immortalrising to next. So I believe you can do these things by yourself. So let me just pause it and run to it. Okay, so once you click connect Twitter, authorize the Twitter account. Okay, then we click on follow. It will take us to sign in with Twitter. I've done that already. Let us try it again and let's see. If it doesn't work, you can just leave it alone and move on with whatever, something else we are doing, something else. Okay, let's see if it has worked this time around. It doesn't work, so just leave it. Okay, now let's do the subscribe to the IR2 newsletter. Let's click on claim, click on subscribe newsletter. Okay, now this place, we need to do some things here. Now what I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to come back here later on. I'm going to link our game accounts to this place. Now here, let's connect our immutable passport. Let's click on it. So create one. If you don't have one already, we are going to be able to create one. Kindly use that same Gmail or whatever Gmail you want to use. So I'm going to click on Gmail. I'm going to click on the one I used to sign in for the Immortal. Continue. Okay. Allows Matterport to make transaction request. Make sure you trust. Okay. Yes. Trust. Okay. So that will be connected in a few seconds. Scrolling. It's working. Let it work. Let me pause it. Okay. Now that's connected my immutable password successfully and my wallet address is available there. So I want to go back to the main task we were doing earlier. Just click on this place and go to mission. If you want to refer people, your friends, click on here and click on referrals. They can copy your link and refer people. Okay, this is it here. So let's go back to our mission. Okay, click on claim for the newsletter we just did. Okay, if you've not done that, let's do it again. Where's the newsletter? Okay, I agree to. Okay, let's click on. We need to approve this. And the second one, you might not need to do this one. The first one is okay. So let's go back to the mission and let's see if we can claim the orb. Click on claim. So we've claimed the orb successfully. So the remaining one is bringing your friends and this follow Twitter, which is not working at the moment. So let's check on our game. Okay, our game has downloaded successfully. So I would like to call this video part 1 and make a fresh one from the start where I can show you, open the game and show you how to connect your game to this website.